Vivo has just unveiled the S30, a new addition to its S series that blends a youthful design with robust specifications. Revealed alongside the S30 Pro Mini in China, the standard S30 distinguishes itself with a sleek, minimalist exterior and impressive hardware under the hood. Despite carrying the iPhone 16 style moniker, it relies on a powerful yet efficient Snapdragon processor and balances style with performance. The S30 design emphasizes rounded edges and a smooth matte finish on the glass back, which helps reduce fingerprint smudges even without a case, unlike the Pro Mini version, whose rear cameras are arranged in a single bar. The S30 employs 3 separate camera lenses stacked vertically. This layout offers a clean, distinctive look without dominating half the phone rear surface. The flat side rails, though plastic, according to official specifications, echo premium smartphone aesthetics while keeping the device lightweight. Available in soft, muted colors, the S30 appeals to users who prefer understated elegance over flashy motifs. Covering the front is a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, capable of rendering 1 billion colors. Vivo has achieved nearly uniform bezels on all 4 sides, creating a truly edge-to-edge impression. Only a slightly thicker bottom bezel is noticeable upon close inspection, but it remains modest and unobtrusive. The panel supports a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming, and it incorporates HDR technology for richer video playback. In terms of brightness, the S30 is rated at 1300 nits for typical use, and can spike up to 5000 nits at peak when needed. To guard against scratches and drops, Vivo has fortified the screen with diamond shield glass, ensuring durability without sacrificing clarity. Vivo's approach to the S30 rear camera array stands out with its vertical alignment of lenses and LED ring flash. The primary sensor is a 50-megapixel Sony LYT700V unit equipped with optical image stabilization (OIS), ensuring sharper images even when shooting handheld. A dedicated telephoto lens offers 3x optical zoom for distant shots, while an 8-megapixel ultra-wide module with a 106 field of view captures expansive scenes. Vivo has also introduced Live Mode as a standalone photography option, which records 1.5 seconds of motion and audio before and after the shutter is pressed. Similar to Apple Live Photos, various built-in filters allow users to apply stylistic effects without resorting to third-party editing apps. On the front, a 50-megapixel f2.0 selfie camera supports 4K video capture, promising crisp self-portraits and video calls. Rather than chasing a flagship-tier chipset, Vivo has opted for the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm processor inside the S30. Benchmark tests show the phone achieving over 1.05 million points on AnTuTu, and scoring 1,240 and 3,605 in single-core and multi-core Geekbench 6 tests, respectively. These figures indicate smooth performance for everyday tasks, social media, and moderate gaming. Vivo has also integrated its latest Origino S5 interface, which brings improved smart features and a polished user experience. The front-facing dynamic island style cutout offers interactive notifications and system prompts, while cross-platform sharing with iPhone devices simplifies content transfer among friends. This collaboration with Apple ecosystem is particularly notable, as it enables seamless sharing of photos, files, and other data via a one-tap gesture. Despite measuring just 7.5 mm in thickness, the Vivo S30 packs a 6,500 mAh battery, an unusually generous capacity for a slim smartphone. Vivo claims that this cell can comfortably last a full day of intensive use, making it suitable for users who rely on constant connectivity. Rapid charging is handled by a 90W adapter, which can replenish the battery to 80% in only 45 minutes, according to Vivo official figures. Fast charging technology ensures minimal downtime, whether you need a quick top-up before heading out. or an overnight charge that finishes before morning. Overall, the Vivo S30 encapsulates what makes the S series appealing. A balance of camera prowess, a vivid display, and a slim form factor without sacrificing battery life. The latest Origin OS software adds polish to the user interface, while the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 offers a compelling mix of efficiency and performance for mainstream users. If you value a phone that looks elegant, films high-quality videos, and can run through a demanding day on a single charge, the S30 is a compelling choice. With its modern design and feature set, Vivo has crafted a device that stands out in a crowded mid-range market, offering both style and substance.